In this video, we will explain how to install the power cord on a Winston 8000 series Collectramatic fryer. You will need the following tools to perform this installation. Begin by unplugging the unit from its power source. To remove a power cord currently installed on the fryer, start by uninstalling the back assembly. Remove the muffler from the vent back, then uninstall the left side panel to reveal the power cord entrance point. Next, move to the front of the fryer and drop the front panel by removing the 4 screws located in the corners of the panel. Once the panel is down, you will notice 2 contactors near the top of the unit. You will also notice a small hole on the right-hand side with 4 wires running through it. These wires belong to the power cord and must be removed from the right-hand contactor. Next, uninstall the green neutral wire by unscrewing the copper compression screw, securing it to the frame of the fryer. The power cord can now be removed. Begin the installation of the new power cord by threading the wires through the access point in the back of the fryer. Ensure the power cord wires are completely pulled through the small hole in the front of the fryer. Install the green neutral wire by inserting the wire into the compression screw assembly labeled earth or ground located to the left of the power cord access point on the front of the fryer. Finally, install the 3 remaining wires into the 3 open legs of the contactor. These wires can be inserted in any order.